Hello friends and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel. We test the most common trading strategies available in the market, using a $1,000 balance. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to our channel, so you won't miss any updates. Last week I was browsing the internet, and found a trading guru promoting a 100% success rate strategy, that guarantees you to leave any trading setup with an absolute profit. The guru mentioned that, he doesn't even need to do any technical or fundamental analysis. I directly understood that this strategy has something to do with hedging. But I was super curious to try it out and share the results with you guys. I spent $150 to buy the strategy from the guru. If the strategy works, I hope it will remain a secret between us. Otherwise, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel, as I would probably continue making videos until we find one. As expected, the strategy involves hedging techniques. A hedge is a risk management technique used to reduce any substantial losses. You hedge to protect your profit, especially in times of uncertainty. Let's open the laptop and let me reveal the strategy for you. And test it out as usual. Is it a genuine strategy or just some scam? Let's find out.
Look at the strategy we bought. We need to set a buy and sell stop orders between the actual price level, with 5 pip distance from each other. The take profit level for both orders is at 15 pips away from the entry. We will call the two take profit levels A and B. The buy order will be triggered as soon as the price gets to the buy stop level. If the price continues bullishing and hits the take profit line A, our trade will be successfully closed at 15 pips profit. However, if the price touches the buy stop then bearishes all the way down to hit the sell stop level, a sell order will be triggered at 0.14 lot size. If the price hits B, we'll exit the two trades with a profit. If the price goes up after touching the sell stop and hits the initial buy stop again, and third buy order will be triggered at 0.093. If the price gets to A, the three trades will be closed at a profit. In case the price touches again the buy stop line, then drop all the way down and get to the sell stop level, a fourth order will be triggered at 0.124 lot size. If the price continues bearishing, the four order will be closed at a profit. Otherwise the same process would continue until the price hits either level A or B. The same concepts would apply to the setup if the first order is a sell. Feel free to stop the video for a better understanding. To make life easier, I created an Excel sheet to help me setting up the different points. All I needed to do is entering the current price, and the tool will calculate the exact entry and take profit levels for me. The strategy comes with an expert advisor that does the whole thing from setting up to the different entry points, as well as the take profit levels. As I am testing the strategy, I wanted to do everything manually so we could be aware of the aspects of the strategy. The guru informed me that the no-loss strategy works best on a ECN standard account, so I decided to use my favorite broker and open up a $1,000 USD account. If you want me to make a video about the 5 different brokers I have been using since I started trading, and how I managed to find the right one after losing a considerable amount of money in the past, let's give this video 200 likes, and I'll make the video sharing everything you need to know. I avoided trading the Euro-USD pair in this video, as the pair has a low volatility as compared to other pairs, such as the Euro's pound or pound yen. Plus, the price might take longer to hit the take profit or stop loss. So for the sake of saving time of the no-loss strategy testing, we will choose the Euro-pound pair. What if the price hits the buy or sell stop levels and continues going in our favor? We will then close 90% of the position as soon as we make $10 and move up the stop loss level manually in order to make sure that the price will not go against us later. Let's place our first orders. We will have 2 pending buy and sell stop orders which are 5 pips distanced from each other. We can use the Excel to save time. At first, both orders will be 1 pip volume. Buy and sell stop orders are my favorite pending orders, as they are only triggered when the price move in your favor. I always avoid market execution orders, as they are not depending on the price movement, but on the other hand guarantee that the price will never be re-quoted. The buy stop order has just been triggered. We will increase the volume of the sell stop order to 1.4 in order to hedge the position if the price somehow bullishes. It is important to monitor the screen if you opt for this strategy the whole time. Otherwise, place some price alerts if you like to do other stuff while trading. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to make a video about price alerts. We started seeing some profit, we might consider closing 90% of the position as soon as we make $10 profit. Let's see. Unfortunately, we didn't disable the one-tick option on MetaTrader, so the software has closed the entire position, but never mind, we have made a profit of $23.18. If you want to partially close a position, make sure to disable the one-tick option from the MetaTrader settings. Here is how to do it. Without this option, please notice that orders will not be closed with one click anymore. After the first successful order, let's try the strategy again with another one. Again, we will place 2 buy and sell stop orders with 5 pips distance from each other. When one of the orders is triggered, we will increase the volume of the other one to 1.4 lots. If the price goes in our favor, we will try to close 90% of the position and keep the remaining 10% running, but if the price goes against us, we will be hedging our position with the second opposite order. We will be scheduling buy and stop orders with different volumes as per the strategy explained earlier until we close the entire position on a profit. The sell stop order has just been triggered. We are running our strategy on a standard account, so the profit shown on the toolbox is the all-included one. We will increase the volume of the buy stop order to 1.4 in order to hedge the position if the price somehow bullishes. We started seeing some profit, we might consider closing 90% of the position as soon as we make $10 profit. Let's see. It is important to monitor the screen the whole time if you opt for this strategy. We have just closed 90% of our position, the remaining 10% will continue running. The price might go against us later, so it's better to move the stop loss and keep on moving it until it's triggered. At this stage we don't have any chance to incur any losses on this one. Our second position has been closed now. We have made $9.80 profit. While waiting for the results, I would like to thank you again for your engagement with the videos we have published on this channel. Many of you have suggested me to test various strategies. I have made a spreadsheet including all of these strategies, and we will proceed to test them one by one. I have made this channel as I struggle to find content which is powered by action. I hope this content is helpful in your journey to become a successful trader. Let us know in the comments section if you want me to try any specific strategy or indicator in future. A trading plan is a written set of rules that specifies a trader's entry, exit and money management criteria for every order you make. With today's tools we have in hand, it is easy to test a trading idea before risking real money. Known as backtesting, this practice allows the trader to apply the trading idea or strategies using real historical data and determine if it is reliable. Once a strategy has been developed and backtested enough and shows some good results, the plan can be used in real trading accounts. Let us know in the comments section, do you believe in a 100% successful strategy?
A few minutes later.
Here are the results of 7 trades made randomly using the no-loss 100% win rate strategy. We have made $111.67 on this trading demo account. All the trades were successful, but can we say that this strategy is 100% successful? Let's wait for part 2 of this video where you will find out more about the strategy and will probably get an answer to your question. This channel is growing every day thanks to your engagement. Let's give this video 200 likes to encourage me to make more trading strategy testing videos, and feel free to have a look at the other videos on this channel, where we learn about trading by action.